Hey guys, I got this beautiful 2022 Toyota Sienna. This is a hybrid. I'll show you how to reset the oil life. Okay, so we're going to be using this right here. We're going to scroll over the vehicle settings. We're going to go to settings, vehicle settings, go to schedule maintenance, and reset data just like that. And that's how you do it. It's pretty easy to do. This is the back button. Again, you're going to go over to that settings, scroll down, vehicle settings. You're going to have to press OK. You're going to hold it until this comes up, and then you can go to schedule maintenance. And this is your oil maintenance. You can reset that as well. Hopefully that helped. Again, this is a 2022 Toyota Sienna. Thanks for watching.